Today is Tuesday, July 12, 2022. Let us take a look at today's crypto headlines. Ethereum co-founder responds to PoS critics amid upcoming merge. Bitcoin price indicator that marked 2015 and 2018 bottoms is flashing. Brazil's largest payments app to enable 65 million users to buy Bitcoin. Biggest Cardano, ADADEX will launch Wrt Token in mid-July. Here's its utility and tokenomics. Celsius takes out $417 million in staked Ether from Aave. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification button to keep supporting our channel. Ethereum co-founder responds to PoS critics amid upcoming merge. Vitalik Buterin described a critic's notion as an unmitigated barefaced lie, while sharing his thoughts on PoS voting. While some believe that Ethereum's upcoming shift to proof-of-stake, PoS, may push the platform to eventually surpass Bitcoin, BTC. Others take this opportunity to make snarky remarks on Twitter, triggering a rebuttal from Vitalik Buterin, a co-founder of Ethereum. In a tweet, Bitcoiner Nick Payton called out proof-of-stakers and argued that voting to change the properties on PoS platforms proves that the PoS assets are securities. Buterin responded to the post, describing Payton's notions as an unmitigated barefaced lie. According to the Ethereum Buterin, PoS does not include voting on protocol parameters just as proof of work, PoW, doesn't. Buterin also explained that in both PoS and PoW, nodes reject invalid blocks. Last week, Bitcoin book author Jimmy Song also came after PoS, questioning the decentralization of the consensus. According to Song, the mechanism doesn't solve the Byzantine generals' problem. Buterin called out Song's notions in a tweet. Pro tip: if there's a long-established tradition of people debating A versus B based on deep arguments touching on math, economics and moral philosophy, and you come along saying B is dumb because of a one-line technicality involving definitions, you're probably wrong. Apart from Buterin, fellow Ethereum founder and PoS proponent Charles Hoskinson also gave his take, saying that the level of stupid on Song's tweet is beyond explanation. As many critics come after PoS before Ethereum's merge, a decentralized finance researcher offered positive thoughts on the upcoming shift. In a thread, Vivek Raman said that the change to PoS gives Ethereum the economic structure to challenge Bitcoin's supremacy in the crypto space. Earlier in July, Ethereum completed a major trial for the merge on the Sepolia testnet. This pushes the platform nearer to the shift to the PoS consensus mechanism. Developers mention that while there are some hiccups, these will not delay the merge. Bitcoin price indicator that marked 2015 and 2018 bottoms is flashing. This week, Bitcoin's 150-day EMA is set to close below its 471-day EMA for only the third time in history. Bitcoin, BTC, could undergo a massive price recovery in the coming months, based on an indicator that marked the 2015 and 2018 bear market bottoms. Dubbed Pi Cycle Bottom, the indicator comprises a 471-day simple moving average, SMA, and a 150-period exponential moving average, EMA. Furthermore, the 471-day SMA is multiplied by 0.745, the outcome is pitted against the 150-day EMA to predict the underlying market's bottom. Notably, each time the 150-period EMA has fallen below the 471-period SMA, it has marked the end of a Bitcoin bear market. For instance, in 2015, the crossover coincided with Bitcoin bottoming out near $160 in January 2015, followed by an almost 12,000% bull run toward $20,000 in December 2017. Similarly, the second 150 to 471 Ma crossover in history marked the end of the 2018 bear cycle. It also followed a 2,000% price rally, from nearly $3,200 in December 2018 to $69,000 in November 2021. Only the third time in history. This week, Bitcoin's 150-day EMA, at $32,332 as of July 12, is set to close below its 471-day EMA, at $32,208, thus logging the third pi cycle bottom in its history. The crossover appears as Bitcoin wobbles around $20,000, after a 75% plus price correction from its peak level of $69,000. The BTC/used pair has been flirting with the level for almost a month, with the latest PoS survey noting that its price has more possibility to fall toward $10,000 than rebound toward $30,000. The fears emerged due to an ongoing crypto market carnage led by the failure of several high-profile companies. Meanwhile, hawkish central bank policies that focus on removing excess cash from the economy have also spooked investors. Nevertheless, Bitcoin could rebound to at least $30,000 if the given bottom fractal plays out. The interim upside target coincides with the 0.236 fib line of the Fibonacci retracement graph drawn from the $69,000 swing high to the $17,000 swing low, as shown in the chart above. Brazil's largest payments app to enable 65 million users to buy Bitcoin. PicPay, the largest payments app in Brazil, is launching a cryptocurrency exchange where its 65 million users can learn about and buy Bitcoin. Brazilian fintech app PicPay will launch an in-app cryptocurrency exchange allowing its over 65 million users to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as its first crypto product offering, according to a blog post from the company. Our first novelty in the cryptocurrency market will be an exchange, which is a broker for those who want to invest in cryptocurrencies at PicPay, said Anderson Chayman, VP of Technology and Products of PicPay. The user who wants to know where to buy cryptocurrencies will be able to do everything through the app, with a very simple, practical and safe experience. In addition to launching an exchange allowing its users to buy, sell and hold Bitcoin, PicPay seeks to integrate payments with cryptocurrencies into the economy. PicPay will enter the crypto market to lead its popularization not only as an investment, but also as a way to decentralize payments and other financial services, said Anderson Chayman, VP of Technology and Products. PicPay users will have access to educational materials in the app to further their knowledge in the sector. Being the largest payment app in Brazil, this initiative has the potential to onboard millions to Bitcoin. Still, PicPay understands it might experience hurdles along the way. There is still a lot of complexity in the crypto world, and our role is to make it as easy as using money for everyone, explained Chayman. It is unclear if users will be able to withdraw their Bitcoin. In April, PicPay announced it had crossed the milestone of 65 million users with its money service provider app, which functions similarly to PayPal or Cash App while also providing a financial marketplace for its users as well as social media aspects like private messaging. In 2020, the application hosted 38.8 million users, which rose to 50 million at the end of 2021. Biggest Cardano, ADADEX will launch Wrt Token in mid-July. Here's its utility and tokenomics. The largest decentralized exchange on the Cardano network, Wrt, announced the launch of its governance token, Wrt, on July 14. A key advantage for future Wrt holders, according to the lending site of the token, is its voting power, which enables the ability to initiate and vote on key decisions in the operation and development of Wrt. For example, DAO members will be able to influence platform protocol parameters and determine commission sizes and which features or farms to add. By holding WRT, users will also receive increased returns, an increased chance at an airdrop of new tokens, access to important information and membership in the Wingriders clan. WRT tokenomics and utility. Everything is clear with the governance characteristics of WRT, there is not much surprise here. Let's turn to the nature of the token itself. What is it? The supply of WRT is limited to 100 million tokens, so it is deflationary. That said, it will be possible to farm the token, albeit to a limited extent of 40 million. WRT can be used to buy NFTs and cryptocurrencies at a discount to regular trading pairs. WRT can also be used as collateral currency for agents coming to Wingriders. 8 million WRTs will be available for public sale, while 12 million WRTs have been distributed privately. It is also important to note that tokens from public offerings through whitelist, DAO Maker, Occam Invent will be locked up for 2 months, while WRT sold in private rounds will be locked up for 3 months. Celsius takes out $417 million in staked Ether from Aave. On Tuesday, Celsius Network reclaimed a large portion of its collateral deposits that were locked in decentralized finance, DeFi, applications. At around 7:50 a.m. Celsius withdrew 400,000 STIF, $417 million, from Aave, a lending protocol where it had earlier parked the funds. The assets currently sit in the same wallet address that was used to transact with Aave. This is according to on-chain data gathered from wallets that are widely believed to be owned by the lending company. In this case, the wallet in question is marked by Ethereum Block Explorer Etherscan as Celsius Network, Wallet 11. It tracks 24 addresses that are attributed to the company. Facing a financial fallout caused by a sharp drop in crypto markets, Celsius has been winding down its DeFi positions amid reports that it is preparing for a potential bankruptcy filing. In addition to taking out STIF from Aave, Celsius repaid a loan of $63.5 million in use to Aave across 3 transactions. This reduced Celsius Aave debt to roughly $8.4 million. The latest move follows the firm's recent withdrawal of 6,083 wrapped Bitcoin from Aave on Monday. Furthermore, last week it pulled $440 million in wrapped Bitcoin from MakerDAO. Currently, Celsius' largest DeFi position consists of a collateral deposit of 10,000 wrapped Bitcoin, $200 million, on Compound, according to on-chain data. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you won't miss any updates.